Hey guys, so today is my long-awaited, highly requested room tour for 2019. A couple years ago I did like a whole room transformation video, so if you want to go watch that, you can just go watch that. But this is super requested, so I thought I would just do it again. If you are new, subscribe because I'd love to have you around, and let's just hop right in the video. Okay, so this is the door you just enter in when you come in my room, and then here's what you see when you look around. So that's just a little glimpse of what my room looks like, but now I'm gonna get into like the actual details. So first, when you turn right when you walk in, you see my little like dresser console thing. This is actually built into the wall. I'm not really a fan of it, but I kind of have to live with it because it is built in. The knobs on here, I did pick out, my sister did, because this used to be her room. I think they're from Home Depot or something, but I will change those as soon as possible. Like, I just want something more sleek and more modern and not purple. First, I just have this big mirror. It's built into the wall, so again, I cannot take that down if I wanted to, but I do actually enjoy this, so I'm okay with that. And then next to that, I just have my little light thing. So this is for turn on the lights. This is for to control like one of the outlets if I want to like turn it on or off. I just have it connected to my phone charger, so it's always like switched on. And then above here I have my little fan. I honestly forgot I had a fan, I just never use it. That also has a light, but the light like doesn't work, so it's not very helpful. So right on top of my dresser, I like to keep it super simple and like minimalistic, if that makes sense. And you'll notice that throughout this tour, my room like doesn't have a lot of things on it, so I just like it very plain. On top, I just have this little jewelry tray. It's from like a local boutique in my town, so like you guys can't really buy that online. It just stores a lot of my jewelry on it, but this is like what the tray actually looks like. One of my friends got it for me, so I'm not exactly sure where it's from, but I think it is from a local boutique. So I just kind of shove a bunch of jewelry on there. Half the jewelry on here doesn't have like a match, like if it's like earrings or something like that. Then I have an outlet and like a TV outlet thing, but I don't really need a TV, so I don't have one. But there actually is one sitting in the bottom of my closet, so if I want a TV, I could have one, I just don't. But next to that, I just have this spray bottle, which just has some crusty water in it. It's dusty on the spray bottle. Kind of ugly, kind of adds some color to my room, I guess. But it's from like the winter time, like before I had braids, I guess, so I actually needed to use that to like get my hair like situated, but now I do not because your girl has braids. Moving on to what I actually have in my dresser, so I'm not gonna go too in depth, but up here is just underwear and socks and stuff. Oh, this never shuts, oh my god. This middle one is a mess. It just has like anything I could need regarding skincare, body care, just anything. And then down here I have my t-shirts. This has been more organized before, but it's fine, I guess. Free foot pics. Okay, that was a joke. Beside that, I have my little nightstand, which has no use except for down here. It has clothes that I'm trying to sell on Poshmark. So if you want to go buy some Tory Burch flip-flops or some shorts or jeans, just go check out my Poshmark. I'm not really sure of the username, but figure it out. And then up here, I just have a drawer full of junk. I have some little like picture prints. I have my varsity letter. I have notes from friends. I just have birthday cards. Like, I have a bunch of random stuff in here. We're just gonna shut that because it's just a mess. Then when you turn some more, I have my closet door. We're not going in my closet, but here's a little sneak peek. It's a mess. Okay, you can't see anything. But on it just have this little like tassel-y thing. It's from Mexico. My mom just got it for me. I don't really know what the purpose is, but she got it for free on like a work trip, and she was just like, hey, put this in your room, and I was like, hey, it's cute, let me do that. By the way, I hate that my room has like gold hardware. I just think it's ugly, but it's kind of not a big deal. Next to my closet is where I keep my lifeguarding backpack. This used to be my school backpack, but it's summer, so now it's for lifeguarding. Next to that, I have my trash can. This is super cute. There's a ton of random trash in it. There's balloons, as you guys can see on top. Swivel some more and you guys will see my desk. But first, I have this big window. I love how my room has so much natural lighting because you'll see later I do have a studio light, but I don't really use it that much because I do have so much lighting, which I love and appreciate, and is half the reason why I wanted this room. So I just have blinds on here. They're from Home Depot if you really care. And then my curtains are, I'm not really sure where they're from, but if you watch my like room transformation video that I posted like 2 summers ago, you can see that. And then the little bar on top is just like this little diamond-ish thing. I think it might be from like Bed Bath & Beyond or something like that. I'm not exactly sure though. Anyways, moving on to my desk. This is also super minimalistic. I don't like a lot of stuff on my desk, but it's always a mess filled with laundry and like schoolwork, but it's summer, so I don't need to worry about that. This desk has been in better shape. My sister has used it, I've used it, so it's just very not neat. If you guys can see, there's a lot of like chips and dings, and there's like nail polish on it. It's just really not cute. So first, starting on like the corner of my desk, I have this little mason jar. It's supposed to just be like holding change and stuff. It's turned slowly into like a stationery holder, so I have scissors, pens, flare pens, things like that. And then behind it, I have some index cards, which I honestly have no idea where they came from. One day, my mom or brother just threw them in my room, and they're just chilling here. Next to that, I keep my laptop. My laptop and phone obviously isn't always here, but I like to charge my laptop here, and my phone just kind of fit there, so I just put it there. Next to that, I have another cup of stationery just filled with a bunch of random pens and things. I have a chip clip for some reason. I have my AirPods. Flex, just kidding, that's an old joke, no one cares about that. I have a little card for my gym pass, but I'm not gonna flip that over because it literally says my address. And then my bullet journal, haha, LOL, covered in stickers, pretty artsy, pretty fire. Now let's move on to my actual desk stuff that's in it. All these drawers are pretty messy, just a warning, but it's okay. I know where things are, so it's okay. This is my first drawer. This holds gum, calculators, anything I could really just need for school. So there's gum, calculators, index cards, pencils, markers, everything, gift cards. And then next to it, I have this other drawer. It's like one of these like flip open drawers, because this is technically supposed to like be for a computer, but I don't have like a big desktop, so it's just unnecessary to put a keyboard in here. Let's open this up. It has so much trash in it, but it's organized. I just organized this the other day. So here I have 3 books. I'm gonna sell these because I literally don't need them, or like donate them or something. So if you want to look out for Keenan and JC's book, Joey Graceffa's book, or this, hit me up. And then here I just have a package for shipping stuff out for Poshmark, a pencil case from this past school year. Let's push that back in, push it back together, and now we're on to this wonderful cabinet. I redid this like a week ago, so it really shouldn't be this messy, but it just is. So up in this first little cubicle, so first I just have my Beats headphones. I'm trying to sell these currently because I don't use them. I have some more little like coupons, gift cards, receipts, and then my wallet. And then in back of that, I have my old laptop, my old like MacBook, and I'm trying to sell that, but I just haven't put it up for sale yet, so I'm not really sure what's gonna happen with that. In this compartment, it's pretty self-explanatory. I just have folders, binders, notebooks, things like that that I don't really use. I have an SAT book, so I have to start studying for that, unfortunately. I have a mason jar filled with Sharpies, and behind that is just some more like random stuff. I don't know, I have like a box of chargers, just some random things. This is my vScO girl compartment. I just have some friendship bracelet string, some beads, and just things like that. And then down here, I have GoPro, sunglasses, sunglass case, some random cords, some chargers, and another mason jar filled with more Sharpies. I can probably just condense those and make it into one, but that's just too much work. Moving on, you move your head over here and I have my little gallery wall, which I used to be obsessed with, but I actually do not like anymore. But my mom would probably kill me if I took it down, because it took us so much time to like put this up. Here in this little outlet, I always just have like a little wallflower. I think my friend Layla might have gave this to me, but I've had wallflowers like my entire life because my room, I just don't want it to smell bad. So I think I just put this one in because she gave it to me. It smells like lemon, so if you want to know what my room smells like, it smells like lemons. And then down there, I just have batteries charging because I have 3 batteries and all of them are just like shot, so them together makes up like the duration of battery life of like one battery. That was not English, but you get the point. Then next to that, I have my studio light and my tripod. I don't really use my studio light too much. Swivel some more, and I got my bed. My bed is made so bad today, but we're just gonna ignore that. My bed is pretty much the same as my last room tour, but I can just go through everything in case you missed it. Gray pillows and bedding is from Target. That pillow is from Target. That's from Home Goods. Silk pillowcase, I don't know where I got it. My mom just gave it to me. My striped sheets are from Bed Bath & Beyond. This body pillow is from Target. It's not actually a body pillow though, it's just 2 pillows in a body pillow cover, so little life hack. My headboard and my bed, it's not just headboard, is from Ashley Furniture Home Store. This white blanket is from Bed Bath & Beyond, and that wraps up my bed. The only thing that's new is that Home Goods pillow, because I could not stand the other 2 pillows I had there before. Currently in the process of redoing my bed. I want new bedding, I just don't know what color. So I want white, but as a female, that's a little difficult to keep clean, but I'll figure it out. Then I just have my nightstand, so I have this S on it. I got that literally probably 5 years ago. I just don't know where it's from. I think maybe Home Goods or Target. I have my hydro flask, as always, and this little plant that my friend Lauren got me. It might be from like Riley Rose or something like that, but I'm not really sure. My nightstand, oh my god, you can see my toes. My nightstand is from, I don't really know, but it's just like a mirrored nightstand. Ew, I'm squatting, you can see me, that makes me so uncomfortable. In here I have a bunch of candles. This literally smells so freaking good in here. Anyways, then I have my little gallery wall. You guys know I made a whole video about this, so if you are new and you have not seen that, go check it out. It's Tezza inspired, so like I guess it's vScO and Tumblr question mark. I need to stop talking in that voice. It makes me so uncomfy. It probably makes you even more uncomfy. But this is my wall. Hey, and that is it for my room. We're back to the door. Bye. So that is all for my room tour for 2019. I hope you guys enjoyed it. My room is always getting redone slowly. I really want to redo my bed and just like little things like that because I don't enjoy my room at the moment. But yeah, subscribe if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content from me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Ooh, yeah, ooh.